Hey guys, this is Wendy from Wendy's Eating Show, and today I'm going to be eating a corn on the cob, or a Mexican corn, or elote. There's many ways you could call this, so not really, but a lot of people know it by a different name. And I'm going to decorate it or garnish it, whatever, right now. But I just wanted to talk about this really quick. This is a rambutan drink, and it says it's a succulent and juicy and sweet. And it says you can add to salads, drinks, and desserts. It says peel and remove seed, refrigerate after purchase. So that is what it says here, and this is what it looks like. It looks like a hairy little ball, like a porcupine. And then this is product of Guatemala. So yeah, this is how it came in, and that was $5. And this is what it looks like. It looks so cute. Look at that. The consistency kind of looks like a jellyfish, but like it's a really hard jellyfish. So that is what it looks like. And where's my straw? Here it is. And it kind of gives you like a milk type of color, and it has the taste of a coconut water. I don't know why it's giving me like the coconut flavor. So let me know if you've ever heard of this fruit, or have you ever tasted it before. So let's put that here on the side, and it's from my elote, and I got this from my local street vendor. Let's see if you can see it better now. And I'm just going, it already has mayo and then some cheese, but I'm just going to add a little bit of more cheese because I like it, and so it could have a little bit of, like, my plate could look beautiful. So I'm just going to throw it like that, like if I was a restaurant, like that. And then like that. Let's put some all over my plate just so that it looks pretty. You guys know I like to upgrade everything. So there it is. Can you guys see it? This is what it looks like right now. There. Is that better? So then I'm going to add some chili powder. I'm just going to use this one because I bought it and I have not used it. So just going to put a little bit of that. I'm just going to put it all over my plate too, just for garnish, and so that it can look pretty. And then if you guys could see this, it looks so beautiful like that. Can you guys see? And then I'm going to add some Valentina. Let's give it a little shake. And I'm also going to do some crazy things like that, go like that, go like that. How do they do it in the fancy restaurants, like that? Okay, I think I overdid myself. So this is what it looks like right now. Look, guys, I'm trying to be fancy with my street corn. So I got this at with my local street vendor. So, and lastly, let's go ahead and add some lime. This is from my lime tree. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's just do that. And voila. So this, like a few months ago, I remember last time I went with my local street vendor lady, the corn was $1.50, but now it's $1.75. If you want to do this at your house, you want to, I think I saw these a week ago at Walmart for 25 cents. So just FYI. Or you could just go to your local street vendor and get some. So go ahead and take the first bite. And then I can go ahead and take my first bite. So delicious. Yummy. Have you guys ever had an elote? A corn like this? I'm gonna get messy, but that's okay. Huh. Let me know if you like elotes like this. No. The rambutan surprisingly has a lot of health benefits. So, one of the benefits it has it boosts energy. So, it says the carbohydrates and protein content of the rambutan help to increase the energy and prevent bloating. Rambutan is also rich in water, which helps to regain the lost energy and quenches thirst. So, let me put some on the other side. This is so delicious. I put some of this Valentina. Like that. So. It also has the other benefit: absorption of micronutrients, eliminates free radicals. I'm just reading off health benefits on here. It says generation of white and red blood cells, removes waste from kidneys, it's a good source of iron, high fiber content, treating common illnesses, antiseptic properties, kills parasites, and then it's also good for the skin. So beautiful. I like it. So it hydrates the skin. It's also good for skin, for hair care. So, there you go. I read a few. There is more. So, here where I live, you could get the corn by a local street vendor. Sometimes there's a lady pushing a cart and screaming, elotes! So, and they don't just sell elotes, they could sell tamales, chicharrones. You know, do you guys have that in where you live? Sometimes they're even outside a store, like a liquor store or something like that. If you want to make it yourself, buy the corn, boil it in hot water, let it boil until it's ready. Put mayonnaise. Get cheese, cotija en polvo, that's what it's called in Spanish. This one. If you don't know, I'm going to put it on the description box. And then you can add some Valentina or some chili powder like this. So, when I was smaller, I would only take like a few bites and then tell my mom, I'm done. Do you guys eat it like all clean, or do you guys leave like a few corn spots? They also sell corn tamales. I made a video of tamales. What is your favorite tamales? Talking about tamales. Oh! Mine's the chicken with green sauce. I also like the ones that have the banana leaf. Those are really good too. Those are pricier, but they have a really good taste to them. The pineapple tamal, that was really good too. This was really delicious. I recommend you guys to eat one, buy one, or I don't know. Make it yourself, that's what I was trying to say. So, let me go to comment of the day. Oh, come on. Oh. Excuse me. So, let's go to somebody got stuck on it too. So this one goes to Nikisha Quinn. Is that how you pronounce your name? That cake looks delicious. I love your videos. You are so sweet. Thank you, girl. So, I just want to say that I appreciate everybody's comment. I read them all the time and I try to answer as much as I can. So, if you want to be comment of the day, all you have to do is comment down below and you could be next. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Wendy's Eating Show, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to eat an elote. So, bye!